So I'm sitting in the waiting room of a doctor's office this morning. My wife and I went to get an anatomy scan of our twin boys. And as I'm doing when I'm in a waiting room, I'm reading, my local news and other types of entertainment news and car news and stuff like that. And something caught my eye that I wasn't expecting. News has been scarce of what Dodge is going to offer on the 22 models for the Challenger and Charger, but they've started to leak certain things. And so I found an article from Autoblog. And at the LA Auto Show this year out in California, Dodge announced a new trim package that wasn't previously available. If you buy a 22 Redeye, whether it's a Charger or a Challenger, they're going to offer what they call the Jailbreak option. Basically, you can customize the car in ways that you couldn't do it before, and you get 10 extra horsepower. So we're going to go through the article from Autoblog, and then we're going to detail the things that you can do with this package. And I have to say, I went and talked to Jim at Dodge as soon as I got done at the doctor's office, and we're going to change up the order that I placed. Instead of getting a standard Hellcat wide body, we're going to go with this Redeye Jailbreak, and we're going to spec this thing to the gills. I can't wait for the books to officially open, and that Dodge customization tool opens up so I can see exactly what is available and what they're going to offer this year. I can't explain how excited this made me this morning. When I placed my order last week for my Hellcat wide body Challenger, I was all set and done, but the customization options are pretty limited for the most part. And when I read this morning that you could add all sorts of different personalization options with this new Jailbreak package, and you get more horsepower than the standard Redeye, that was the difference for me to jump from the Hellcat wide body to the Redeye. Originally, I didn't want to spend that extra money. But now I'm reading that, you spend the extra money for the Redeye plus $1,000 for the Jailbreak package, and that's the route I'm going to go. I already went down to the Dodge dealership and told my rep that when the books officially open, to give me a call so that we can go through and do more customization options. I do love the fact that you can actually choose certain, things that you may not be able to do otherwise. But let's take a look at this to see exactly what this Redeye Jailbreak trim level entails. This was done at the 2021 LA Auto Show. I would love to get out there one year. I'm on the East Coast, they're on the West Coast, and I've never even been to the West Coast. But these trim levels are exclusive to the 2022 Dodge Charger and Challenger Hellcat Redeyes. These are not available on the standard Hellcats. You do have to get the Redeye to get the Jailbreak package. Now, you still get the standard Hellcat logo with the Redeye badge, but there is no Jailbreak badge on the outside of the car. From what I read, the Jailbreak, there will be a Jailbreak emblem on the inside of the car. What exactly is Jailbreak? I mean, if you're going to jailbreak a phone like an iPhone, it's customization, and so they've offered a ton of different options for being able to customize this car, opening up the book, so to speak. You're going to be able to go select from certain colors, wheels, stripes, interiors, pretty much anything. Choose any color that they offer in their color palette and combine it with your choice of wheels, stripes, brake caliper colors, badge finish, seats, seatbelt color, floor mat color, and it's all part of this $1,000 package. I didn't choose the red seatbelts because I didn't want to pay $400 for the red seatbelts, but if I'm paying for the package, then obviously I would love to choose the red seatbelts. I mean, that's just common sense. Tim Kuniskis, which is Dodge's CEO, was quoted as saying, "For those looking for a unique appearance, we're going to let customers run free through the styling archives. We're taking most of the parts and pieces we've used over the years, adding a few new ones, and letting customers build their own one-of-one Hellcat, basically. If you're dreaming about owning a yellow Stinger Challenger with brass monkey wheels, hammerhead gray seats, blue Brembos, and red badges, I'm not sure we should, but we will build it for you. I'm not going to do all that. I don't like the brass monkey wheels at all. These are really cool wheels, but not in bronze. I'm not a big fan of that." Autoblog went on to say there are a number of options that were never available before that will be exclusive to the Jailbreak models. Hammerhead gray leather seats. That's interesting. I've never seen those before. I don't know what package those were on. Gray floor mats, gray sepia or red seat belts, copper weave carbon fiber trim, blue and yellow brake calipers. I'm looking forward to seeing what type of stuff that you can do with this. Like, I can't wait till Dodge opens the customization tool on their website, and I'm really looking forward to going down and changing my order. As I said, I went down and talked to Jim this morning, and the books haven't officially opened, so my order hasn't been officially placed. So as soon as this becomes available to do on the website, I'm definitely going to go down there and do that. In addition, and this is the kicker for me, this actually was kind of the deciding factor. In addition to all the customization options, you get 10 extra horsepower. That brings this car to 807 horsepower. Now, if I'm not mistaken, wasn't the Demon 808? So they're pushing it right up to the line without going over. Wasn't the Super Stock something like 805? I can't wait to get my order in. Like I said in my previous video about the Challenger, this is my dream car, and I'm going to build my dream car to the gills. I can't wait to be able to do this. I'm really looking forward to this, and I'm probably going to do, in addition to this Jailbreak package, the SRT Black package, which is all black emblems. You've got the Hellcat badge in the grille, the Hellcat badge on the side of the fender, and the Hellcat badge on the back spoiler, all black with black muffler tips. I can't wait for this. How many of you out there are going to order one of these 22 Hellcats? You're going to go Charger, Challenger, you're going to do the Jailbreak package. Is it worth the extra $1,000 in addition to Redeye pricing to upgrade to the Jailbreak package? I was curious to see what Dodge was going to do with new trim levels, because they always seem to one up the last year. I'm really looking forward to this. I'm more excited for this than I am the T-Rex at this point, although we are still going to get our hands on a T-Rex as well. What do you guys think? Jailbreak package or not worth it? If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching. Y'all take it easy.